Welcome to NMap Tutorial Part 2. NMap Scanning Techniques. In this tutorial we will look at the various techniques used to scan remote systems with NMap to reveal the open ports and services which are running on a remote system. Firstly, we will run a basic scan on a remote system, using the graphical interface, NMap. Then, perform the same scan from the command line version, and review the results. To open NMap, double-click the desktop icon. When the NMap interface opens, there are some default entries in the profile and command areas. Remove any switches from the command dialog box. In the target dialog box, type in the target system's IP address. The target system's IP address in this tutorial is 192.168.0.50. From the profile drop-down box, select Regular Scan. Now press the Scan button to begin scanning the target system. After a few seconds, the results of the scan are shown, and NMap produces a report. The first line of the report shows the version of NMap used and the time the scan was started. The second line shows the host name and IP address of the target system. The third line reports the host is up and the latency, or round-trip time, to the target system. The fourth line shows the number of closed ports. On the fifth line, NMap displays the port and protocol, the state of the port, which will show as open or filtered, and the service which is running. There are 6 open ports on the target system. When NMap displays a filtered port, this usually indicates a firewall is running on the target system. After the port status details, the MAC address of the target system is shown. And finally, NMap reports the scan is complete, the target system is online, and the length of time which was taken to perform the scan. Although this is a very basic scan, the amount of information revealed about the target system is invaluable for diagnostic purposes. The Reports window in NMap has 5 output tabs. Selecting the Port/Hosts tab shows a clear report of the port states on the target system. Selecting the Topology tab displays a graphical representation of the network layout. This tool is very useful in larger networks, as this will map all the devices on the network and produce an image which can be saved. Selecting the Host Details tab displays a graphical report on the target system state. Finally, the Scans tab allows the original scan to be amended. All scans can be saved for future use. Now, on the target system, we will open the remote desktop service and rescan it to see the difference in the results. Running the same basic scan on the target system now shows that port 3389 is open. The service running on the port is ms-wbt server. This is the remote desktop server service, and the target system could be accessed using the Microsoft Terminal Services client. Now we will run the same command from the command prompt. Open Windows command prompt, type cd / and hit enter, then type cls to clear the screen. This has been done for purposes of clarity, as NMap can be run from any folder location. Now type NMap, then a space, and the target IP address of the remote system, hit enter. NMap shows the same output report as NMap. One of the advantages of the command line version is automation through Windows scripting, allowing a user to run NMap commands multiple times without having to retype commands. This concludes the basic scanning of a single system. In the next tutorial we will scan multiple systems. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to leave comments and suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with newly released tutorials.